go in a blooper. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? Oh, fuck off. Here we go. We're doing it already. We're having problems. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? Here. Fuck. Let me see. I'm gonna stand and walk around my room while I do this. It'll be easier for me. I'm still recording. It's still going off. Do you know what? We're gonna do this all one take. How about that?
How about that?
It's gonna be all one take, and then I'll have to delete and edit all this shit off later.
Catch me outside. How about that?
Fuck me. Who remembers that? Okay. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? Here. Let me set you down right here. Are you comfortable? Let me look for a blanket for you. And then I can look... Fuck. And then I can look at the... Oh my god, I can't say the word look. And then I can look at that leg. How does that sound? Now that you're comfortable, why don't I take a look at that? Oh, fuck you. Now that you're... Now that you're comfortable, why don't I look at that leg of yours, huh? Oh, damn. That doesn't look too good. Oh, no, I don't like that at all. Oh, damn. That doesn't look too good. It's a deep cut. Alright. Let's see what I have here. Okay. I think I have an idea. But I need a piece of that blanket to start up a small fire. I don't like any of what I just said there. At all. That sucked. Ass cheeks. Where was I? Alright. Let's see what I have here. Perfect. Just give me a moment. I'll be right back. Fast stepping. What if I do this? No, that's not that stupid. No, here we go. This is the part. Well, I guess... You know what? Why don't we cuddle up next to the fire and toast these marshmallows? And we're like, fuck, it's supposed to be nervous. Oh, fuck. I don't think I can act nervous.
Well, I guess you know what? Why don't we cuddle up next to the fire and toast these marshmallows and relax?
Of course I mean it. Why would I ever lie to you? Where am I? Oh, okay, there we go. Sorry. Well, I guess... You know what? Why don't we cuddle up next to the fire and toast these marshmallows and relax? I knew you would like that idea. Now let me help you. Sliding, small thud. Are you alright? Oh, fuck off. I did the thing from the Yandere video. Alright. Are you alright? Are you in any pain? Wait, I know that you're in pain. That's too fucking... Don't like that at all. Are you alright? Are you in any pain? No, I already did that part. Wait, I meant to do that, honest. And now, time for the chocolate, and now, the graham cracker. And there. Oh, okay. Oh, well, fuck. Well, okay. Oops. I meant to do that. Oh, fuck. That's a nice fucking line on the recipe from that burp. I guess there is going to be more bloopers, huh? Wait, slight frames. Yeah, I said they aren't terrible either. Slight frame sizzling. Nervous. I meant to do that on it. But, I mean, it does give me some time to, well, talk to you. It does give me some time to, fuck you. Fuck, you know. But I mean, it does give me some time to, well, talk to you about a few fucking. But I mean, it does give me some time to, well, talk to you. It does give me some time to, well, talk to you about a few things. You're just beautiful. And I'm, well, you know. Absolutely handsome and stunning and a gorgeous voice that the women fall for. So how long have you liked me? Wow. And to think both of us were weird. Oh, fuck, I didn't chuckle. So, fuck off. I'm literally at the end here. God damn it. Why is it every time I'm at the end, I fuck it up? It doesn't matter. Guitar, recording, what the fuck?